Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Killen if you're new, and I'm back with another hair video. I'm so sorry that I have to be a voiceover today. It sucks that I can't be there with you, but today we're going to be installing the best Amazon V-part wig for the summer, you guys. And if you're interested in learning more about V-part wigs, how to correctly install them for the most natural look, keep on watching. I'm gonna try to be as quiet as I can be, but I'm gonna pop in here and there just so that you guys can get a better feel on how to correctly install your V-part wig. So if you don't know already, V-part wigs are like sew-ins, except they make it 1000% easier for you to install by yourself without the hassle of a needle and a thread. The wig construction comes with clips on the top so that you can make sure your wig is secured in place, combs on the side, and the easy V-part contour band in the back so that you can adjust it and make it as tight as possible. If you're anything like me, I do have a very small head, and so that V-part or that easy contouring string in the back does wonders, because once you get your V-part placed on comfortably, you want to clip in your clips on top, slide in your combs, and adjust the contour string in the back, tightening it for your comfortability. I know I've been telling you guys all about the pros of this hair and that I love it so much, which, by the way, if you haven't checked out my initial video on this hair on my channel, go ahead and check that out. But one con that I can say is that I did receive balding, as you can see, like by my parting area where I placed the clip, just from tension and wearing the wig constantly. Like when I wear this wig, I rarely ever take it off except if it was time for washing. Now it's time for us to blend our leave out. Now I find it way better when I start on flat ironed hair, just because my hair has a 4C 4B kind of way tighter texture curl than the hair that's on the wig. So when I have straight hair, I find that it's easier for me to blend if I work quickly before my hair starts to revert. So with this method, you want to start on straight hair, and I apply my mousse generously so that it can get a nice slick texture, and then I comb it in as quickly as I can. And I know that it doesn't look like I'm working fast, but work as fast as you can so that your hair does not revert. Once I lock it in with mousse, I go ahead and take my Eco Styler gel and I apply that as well, generously, but I comb it in. I do this just to make sure there's no reverting taking place and that the shape of the hair or my hair is locked into place. Now in this video, I'm using Got2b spray. Do not go and buy Got2b spray to use. This hairspray is way too harsh and puts way too much of a hold on your hair. I would suggest using the mousse spray or mousse spritz. I ran out at the time, so that's why I had to use that. But once all that product is in your hair, combed through, you can go ahead and hit it with the blow dryer and hold it. You're gonna hold it until it's like hard, or once you see that it's dry, because you want your leave out to be like locked in. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain or let you guys watch this last part one more time. But if you think you got it, go ahead and fast forward to this part. I do want to explain one more time that V-parts are supposed to be easy for you and promote minimal leave out, so don't think you have to leave out so much hair when you do a V-part. That's the difference between a U-part and a V-part. So go ahead and buy you one of these V-part wigs, try it out, and start taking charge of your own hair and doing your own hair, girl. You got this. You guys are more than welcome to stop here with your hair, but for me, I like to go in and define the curls just so that I can have them look a little bit more tamed and last a little bit longer and less for me to do throughout the week. All I'm using to define the curls is my water, mousse, and the defining brush. And just like that, we're done, honey. We are done and our hair is ready and good to go. Now, I just want to do a disclaimer because if you have not watched my initial review, I do say that this hair is very old. It's 6 months old. That's why it's so skimp and the density is just not there. But go ahead and check that video out if you haven't. This wig is on its last leg and I'm still holding on to it, so I just wanted to get this video out there. Hopefully it was helpful to you and you go and try a V-Par wig. And yeah, girl, send me a picture, let me know, tag me, follow me on TikTok so we can be friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.